So suppose we have taken, for this question, we have taken plates like this, okay, and it is charged like this. So here suppose I current is flowing. Now what will happen in this whole region? It will be displacement current which will be equal to I. But they have told us to just go at a distance a by 2, and here you have to calculate the magnetic field. So when you draw a loop here, right? When you draw a loop here, suppose like this in the direction of current I will take. So what will happen? B into 2 pi a by 2 will be equal to mu naught I enclosed in this loop. That will be total is I. So your share will be pi a by 2 square by pi a square. This is normal unitary method. And then when you calculate the value of B, you get mu naught I by 4 pi A. Okay? If you just calculate outside, just outside, then it will be B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi A. Because then total current I, whole cross section will have total current.
So again one doubt that this A by 2, we are taking from the center of a particular plate, or is the center of both the plates?
No, no, I am taking it from the axis.
Okay, so the center is the axis. So I could control because in the question that is a level 2 from center of the plate.
Okay, so suppose I take the center here, then I have to take this as A by 2. Okay?
Good. Thank you.